Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix this exporting issue. It says you have to join Pro. So maybe you have used some Pro effects. As you can see, I can't export because I'll need to join Pro. So go back to edit and make sure you don't have any Pro features that you're using. So camera movement is a Pro. Just select the one that has like a Pro logo and you have to delete it. And for instance, you can't load it again. As you can see, it says film erased. You're still using this, so go back to edit, and it's a bit of transition, so delete that. Now you are able to export. Make sure you don't enable optical flow because you'll need Pro, and make sure when you export, for instance, there's captions on your videos and you just want to export the caption and you selected this, obviously you can't export it because it's not a Pro feature. So please double check on all of that. Filters included, adjustments included, everything that you use that has a Pro feature, you must remove it in order for you to export if you don't have the Pro feature. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.